Right, okay, so I've just taken a new what that plane was, I've just seen. Obviously that was the Cessna 172M, that was the Skyhawk plane I've just seen apparently today. As you can see, that's one of the Cornwall Flying Club ones we know, as we sometimes say. But as you can see, the registration here is G-EGLA, that is. That's the registration number, as you can see, that's G-EGLA, that is. Yeah, as you can see, it's got the call sign reach there, just you can see. But let's have a look what height it's flown at. But this is where we first saw it there, as he was at 1200. Well, this is where he came here, as he was literally about just over 1275 feet. So yes, literally it came here as we just saw it, as it was at just over 12,000 feet. And we saw it from the distance as it was dropping at 10,000 feet. Well, just over 10,000 feet. Then he climbed up as he was at 1175 feet. Let's have a look where it's come from. It's come from somewhere, well, it looks like it started his roof from Blazy, as he was at 1475 feet. But obviously this is where it's come from actually. There we are, there's Bodmin. That's the airfield it's come from. I think plane fighter's probably got it anyway. Yeah, see. I think this is where I took off from. It's based at Bodmin Airfield. Sorry about that, but it's a bit sunny though. But very hard to see though. But it's a bit hard to see where Bodmin Airfield is though. But because I know Bodmin Airfield is somewhere around between. Well, I just don't know where it is, it's somewhere around there, but anyway. Yeah, I can't tell where it's come from though, because it has come from this base to Bodmin Airfield. So yeah, I think this is where it's come from apparently. So yeah, so that was one of the Cornwall Flying Club ones as we normally see. So you see the registration is G-EGLA, that is Cessna F1, well, Cessna 172M Skyhawk, that was. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.